Zoeshaaa.
Hey guys, it's your favoriteest girl Zoeshaaa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the title, you can obviously tell what we are getting into today. I am doing another try-on haul featuring Cupshe. Thank you to Cupshe for collaborating with me again. After the love that I received on my bathing suit haul, they were just like, girl, we want to work with you again. So thank you so much to them. They did offer to send me some more bathing suits, but you guys, it's fall, it's winter time. I don't see myself going anywhere anytime soon to be needing any more bathing suits. It was just not fitting. But they also carry athleisure wear. So that's actually what I'm going to be showing you guys today, is some of their athleisure wear, which I was really excited about because I was looking in my closet and I'm just like, my home stuff, or just like little stuff, not little stuff, but quick outfits that I can put together to, you know, like run errands or just be comfortable and do comfortable stuff, I don't really have. So I want to be cute when I'm at leisure, you know what I mean? So I was like, yes, I will definitely try some of these pieces, and I'm super excited that I did. Let me just start off with, actually, before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you are returning because you already live here, do not forget to hit the notification bell so you guys do not miss another video from me. If you are not following me on Instagram, please be sure to go into the description box to get all the links to my other social medias, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, so that you guys can stay connected with me when I am not here on YouTube. Okay, so yes, now that we got those fandangos out of the way, let me start off this haul. Do you guys see the shimmer? Do you guys see the shimmer? Do you see the shimmer? Do you see the shimmer? You guys, this is athleisure. You wear this at your leisure. You guys, first of all, their clothes came in the reusable bags again. So if you watch my swimsuit haul, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. So they have reusable bags for every single item on their website. I'm into the reusable bags. I'm sorry, I'm into the reusable bags. They make life so much easier when it comes on to packing things, whatever the case may be. Dirty stuff, it just makes it so much easier. You know what I mean? Because you already have to pack the clothes. You might as well put them in their own little bags. That way when you just put them right on back into... I will forever love Cupshe for that. So this outfit is the twist top and pants set. Okay, I absolutely loved it. As you guys can see, I absolutely loved it. The pants were long enough for me because I have a long legs and a short torso. So I feel like when it comes on to pants and stuff, especially like wide-legged pants, I never have the best luck in them because they're always super short for me when I have to draw them up, especially if they're high-waisted. OMG. So these ones fit really, really well. Everything about it I absolutely love. It's comfortable. The quality, their quality from their bathing suits, I knew I could not expect anything less from their actual clothing. You know what I mean? Quality wise, amazing. The elastic band actually elastics. Like you pull it, oh, ow, Jesus. It actually elastics back. Like I actually love that. Like I knew I was not gonna have any issues when it came on to quality with Cupshe. Cupshe is quality, okay? All right, so the next piece that I'm gonna get into, since we're starting off with like the more cuter pieces, let me show you guys this printed outfit right here. So this is the pants. This is their Desert Bloom elastic waisted sweatpants, and it also has the Desert Bloom off the shoulder shirt. It's sold on the site as separates, but I mean, obviously you're gonna have to wear it again. I mean, you could wear these separately, so you know what I mean? But I had to get it to wear it together. This was absolutely super cute. As I said, it's off the shoulder, as you will see. Yeah, off the shoulder, super freaking cute. Absolutely loved it. It was super cute on. The only thing for me with these ones is the pants were a little bit short for me. So for all my tall girls, I am 5'6", let's call it 5'6". So it was just a little bit short for me. Not too short, a little bit short. Like, I mean, I could get away with it, but yeah, that's the only downfall. Other than that, I absolutely love it. It's bright and vibrant like me, and very colorful. I love the print. This just screams like summer, spring, you know what I mean? Like, I love it. I absolutely loved this piece. Just upset that it was a little bit, you know, too short, but quality wise, it's thick. Not thick, but like thick in quality, you know what I mean? It's not like no thin, flimsy piece of fabric. Like, there's actually fabric on the clothing. I love that with them, because I know if I wash this, it's not going to not be able to be worn again. Like, I have wears in this, you know what I mean? So super excited about that. This one is called the Serenity tie-dye drawstring set. So this is the hoodie. And what I liked about this is it wasn't just necessarily a regular hoodie. This one is more so cropped, and you know, you have your little open up part here. So if you're risque, you can wear it without a brassiere or undershirt, and you get a little, you know, cleavage if you're still trying to be cute and sexy or whatever. But absolutely loved it because it's cropped, and I liked the color. It's not super tie-dye, but it's tie-dye enough where it's subtle. But I loved the bluish greenish on this. Absolutely loved it. Loved it. And the tights are a ribbed material. So for me, living in Canada, that is perfect, because ribbed, I feel like, keeps you a little bit more warmer. So yeah, ribbed. It's not like the cheap quality tights. Like, this actually is like a hard kind of stretch, so you know it's gonna stay on you. And for me, I find a lot of times that when I have like tights, the reason why I don't like to wear tights is because they roll for me. So these ones actually did not do that a lot, unless I physically like really like bent over or whatever. But other tights, like, it's just once I start walking, they're just rolling, falling down, all of that kind of stuff. So that's why I hate and stay away from tights and tights material type stuff. But this actually stayed on my waist, so I actually really liked this. Absolutely like this. And this is just like an outfit you can wear to the grocery store, to the store. Like, I wouldn't say necessarily I would wear this in my house. I probably would, now that it's getting colder, if I wanted to, you know, be cute in the house or whatever the case may be. If I'm doing, you know, chores, whatever, anything, honestly. But it would actually keep me warm, again, because I live in Canada, where the winter is wintering. And yeah, absolutely, this is definitely one of my favorite sets that I received. Absolutely love this set. I really and truly do love this set. It was like, when I was first putting on the hoodie, it was kind of like tight, but I was like, oh God, is it gonna fit? But it was tight because it fits. It's supposed to sit. You know, it's not supposed to ride up and stuff like that. Like, that's what I actually like about their stuff. Like, it's made to fit. So it just fits and sits in all the right places. It doesn't move when you're trying to be active or anything like that, which I find to be so annoying. Let me know if you guys go through the same thing. Like, for me, when I wear jeans, I have to wear belts because they just roll all over the place and don't stay where they need to stay. Same thing with the tight stuff. So I was really skeptical when I was ordering the tights, but I'm really glad that I gave their one a try, because it actually does fit me the way it's supposed to fit me. Now, this last piece, y'all, I don't really like wearing shorts, okay? But I seen it and I just seen the print. I don't know, there's something about tropical bright prints that just draw me to them, you know what I mean? And it was a short set, but I was like, baby, I got to have it because of the print. And I'm really excited that I got it because it fit so well. Like the tights clung to my thighs, the shorts clung to my thighs, clung to my waist. Like, look at the print, it's so cute and girly. I absolutely love it. And like, it literally suctioned to my thighs. Like, there was no moving around, no nothing. Absolutely loved it. And the shirt just went on so well, so comfortable, so comfortable. Like, I can't stress it enough. It's just so comfortable. And it's cropped as well, but it's not a tight crop. It's one of those loose fitting type shirts, you know? But yeah, this again for me is perfect for the winter, like upcoming months in the house and stuff like that. If I still want to be not wearing sweatpants or long johns or anything like that, I can still wear these shorts and I can wear the sweater and be warm but cute, you know, inside the house. So I really, really am happy with actually all of the pieces. Again, another successful haul from Cupshe. If you guys have not yet visited Cupshe, if my swimsuit haul didn't send you over to their website, then this haul definitely should send you over to their website, because obviously, as you can see, they don't only cater to one category, they cater to many others. So for those of you who are in cold countries like myself, who need to start preparing for the winter season and you need, you know, athleisure gear, be sure to go over to Cupshe and check them out. All the links to all the pieces that I have will be in the description box, along with my coupon code, so you guys can save some monies on your order. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, please be sure to ask me down below in the description box. I'll be more than glad to converse with you and help you out with anything, okay? Okay. And again, thank you again to Cupshe for collaborating with me. I absolutely, again, loved all of my pieces. And it's always a pleasure working with you. So thank you, Cupshe. So yeah, guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's try-on haul. Again, if you are interested in any of the pieces that I tried on, please be sure to check out the description box for all of the information on everything related to this video. I will see you guys next time. In the meantime, when I'm not here, again, be sure to check me out on all of my other social media outlets. My links will be in the description box as well. And I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that is, whatever that is. Okay? Until then, bye!